With the kickball change. So even on the 6 count, pass 5, triple step, kickball change, triple step, kickball change, triple step. So that's what we were working on before. What we want to kind of show now is that, okay, well, we replaced our rock step with a kickball change. What might we be able to replace our triple steps with? Well, we can replace them with a swoop. We can go rock, step, kick, swoop, kickball change, triple step, swoop, step.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
let's
do a swing out?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swoop, step, kickball change, triple step, rock, step, swoop, step, kickball change.
So we're going to add a swoop for the triple and keep the kickball change for the rock step.
Yeah, the second triple of the swing out, we're dropping the triple and we're just turning it. So this is all normal. Step, swoop, kickball change.
I'll say triple when you say swoop.
Okay, so here we go. 2, 3, 4, step,
triple step, triple change. So instead of the triple step, we're going to add a swoop this time. There's all sorts of things you can do. So it's time we started adding more styling stuff. But the whole time we're doing this, we're keeping our frame. That's huge. Sometimes I see balls and leaves. Right, and that's making it very difficult to follow or lead if you start breaking your frame, getting excited and styling stuff. We as followers always keep the right hand in front of us. We're focused on this. If our arms are over here, this hand is still right there. This shoulder is never like this stuff, right? So just remember that, followers and leads.
Yeah. I'm trying to kind of keep my shoulder tucked a little bit while I'm doing this. I don't want to get out here. I don't want to get out here. I always want to have more to give.
It's like, you want to go to strong bungee cords. You always have a slight down here. I mean, you can lose your frame and start going all over the place, which doesn't look that good and is very difficult to lead a ball.
Right. So on this particular move, so the leads we're using our right foot, and it comes after the step, and I think of it as I'm drawing a circle on the ground. I got chalk on the bottom of my foot, and I'm dragging it over. Sue tends to like levitate her foot over the floor a bit more.
Just when it takes off.
It's an issue of like what your personal styling is. There's no right or wrong answer for this.
Yes.
And this is a styling that is you can do independent of whatever your partner's doing.
But you have to be sharing weight too.
Yeah.
Because you're on one foot, right, while you're doing this. So, and you can do it by yourself, but it's easier when you're sharing weight to be able to start doing out some of these things.
And you'll notice I swing my foot around and I bring it around behind this foot so that actually it makes sense at this point to do a
Follows, this is your left foot that's swooping, not your right. It's not your right foot swooping, it's your left. So you are the mirror image of your partner, so your left foot is swooping.
Yeah, these are right. So swoop around.
And it is a full circle. Sometimes I see people like, just bring it in. It's like work it, especially when the music's a little slower now, baby. You have plenty of chance to play with it then.
But yeah, like once you get this foot behind you, then you're actually set up for your kickball change really well.
Kickball change fits perfectly. So let's just stand in front of our partners, take a single hand hold, do a mirror image. So you're going to start with the leads right and follows left. And we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change. And then the foot comes left. What you want to avoid is kick. The head stays level. So the knees are bent, the knees absorb the motion. Kickball change.
Yeah, when I'm doing a kickball change, I'm almost falling into the floor as I'm doing it. I'm not hopping up with it. I'm actually kind of falling.
This whole thing is down on the floor. Yeah, you can see there's no up and down motion. So let's take our party.
Okay. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change. And then we'll chain it. 7, 8. Kickball change. Stop there.